Top three things in my notebook this morning. Number one, Germany. Number two, gold. And number three, that 10-year bond yield, which remains one of our favorite things to be long the other side of, which is, of course, the long bond. So first, hitting on the DAX. Again, we're trying to analyze the bounce in Europe, and that is admittedly getting more difficult because there's no bounce. So again, you look at, it's literally a straight line down, and now you have all the simple moving monkey pundits talking about it. Obviously, they get scared anytime something breaks the 50 or the 200-day moving monkey. Newsflash, don't use that as a risk management process. That is completely reactive, and you want to fade it. In other words, go back to what we're trying to tell you and have been telling you for a month, that European equity markets, led by the DAX, are bearish trade and trend on the Hedgeye signal. The Hedgeye signal is not a moving monkey, thank God. Looking at the DAX again, it would have to bounce at least above, call it, in terms of levels, 93.20 on the DAX to even get me interested in terms of a more legitimate bounce. So again, Europe is broken, bond yields are broken, and the Russell 2000 are broken. These things all rhyme. And again, this is rhyming at a correlated pace. Now, the second thing that's going on this morning is that gold continues to pick up its steam. As you know, I've been concerned that gold will not or may not get above its breakout line of 1323. If it may not, it still may. So again, think about it in terms of absolute performance. If you're long the long bond or you're long gold versus long the Russell, gold, just FYI, is still up 9.5% for the year to date and does look good this morning. So again, above 1323, it could look really good. Below 1323, it would concern me. Now again, looking, and again, just talking about the short term. Now finally on 10-year bond yields, I am not concerned. I am going to have a fantastic weekend, and I hope if you're long the long bond, you are too. I got a big smile on my face because that thing hit 2.36% this morning. 2.36%. I mean, it's just, so you can be happy. I mean, in this business, let's just be happy when we score a goal or two. This is a really good move. Again, if you're bullish on bonds, you're bullish on slow growth, if you have the Q3 slowing theme, it remains firmly intact. The TLT is up 15% for the year to date, and that, my friends, has been time-stamped. Those are your top three things.